Now let's solve the Natas level 8. First of all, let's log in to level 8 with the password found after solving level 7. Here we can see that it asks for an input secret. Most probably after inputting the correct secret, we will get the password for Natas level 9. Here it again gives a hint to us to check the source code for the further proceedings. Uh, Here we can see that all the things look normal in this code snippet, but here we have been given a code snippet in the PHP language as it is enclosed between question marks and the greater than and less than sign. In this snippet, we can see that we have been given an encoded secret string and we have a function encode secret which changes a string into some other string with the help of this function. Now the if block checks if the entry we put in the input secret is the correct secret or not by encoding the input using the encode secret function and checking it to be equal to the encoded secret string. So let's decode the encoded secret string to get the correct input so that we can get the password for Natas 9, as after entering the correct secret we will be shown the password for Natas 9 as we can see over here. Now we will use a PHP program to decode the encoded secret. We will start with the reverse order in which it was encoded. As here we can see, first of all, it was converted from binary to hexadecimal. So we will use the reverse function, which is hex to bin. Then we will again use the string reverse function. And then we will use the base 64 decode function. For decoding the string, you can use any of the PHP compilers. As you can see, this is the way we will decode the encoded secret. On running the program, we get this output. Let's copy this and put this in the secret entry. After inputting it, this is the password for Natas 9.